everyone. I'm Borsha from Bistro.io. Let me tell you a story about me. 8:30 classes are a nightmare for me, even if the class is taken by my most favorite teacher. Recently, I have embarrassed myself in the worst possible way in front of my teacher. I went to class half asleep and reached the classroom 10 minutes before my class. I needed coffee really badly, but I could not go downstairs for it as I will be late for my class. Anyway, I went inside and ma'am came and I did not even know when I fell asleep. After I woke up, the class was over and I could not understand anything in my sleep. Then I also heard that she was going to call my parents for monitoring my sleeping habit. Just a cup of coffee could have been my savior. After this terrifying incident, we came up with our product Bistro.io.
Hi everyone, I'm Israt from Bistro.io. The whole thing can be solved using our product Bistro.io. It's an IoT-based automated coffee vending machine. You can grab your refreshing cup of coffee from our automatic machine. You can grab your cup of coffee with a simple push of button from our app. And the payment will be done automatically using our app, One App. Or you can use our other mobile financial services like Nagod, bKash, etc. Or you can use our university's card like OneCard. Well, Bistro.io will reduce the hassle of standing in the line for the cup of coffee and also the payment. And you can order coffee by scanning QR code through our app. After putting coffee, milk, sugar in the machine, it will not require any human assistance. And we will intend to put one vending machine in every 2 floors and supply coffees to every person in need.
We will implement our product in all private universities in Dhaka. There are 51 private universities and this will be our initial market. And there are more than 4 lakh consumers as per day and they can be our potential consumers in future. Anyway, now we are targeting DIU as our first customers. We have 35,000 students and 1,000 faculty members. And if only 50% of use our product daily, then we will have 16,000 consumers at the very first day of our launch. So, we already have a huge number of consumers as a startup company.
Hi, I am Anamika from Bistro.io. Well, there is no other party working in this field right now. So, we will get the beginner's advantage in the market. Indirectly, the roadside tea stalls can be deemed as our competitor. However, the way they serve tea is very unhygienic, and being a female, I will not prefer to take my tea surrounded by unknown smokers.
Hi, I'm Akif. How many of you wanna have a cup of coffee right now? Please raise your hands. I guess 60 to 80 students have raised their hands. Okay, I will take 40. This is where our business starts. We will take 20 taka per cup. If these 40 people uses our service, so the amount of money we will earn is 20 into 40, which is 800 taka in just 10 minutes. If this is implemented throughout our university and 16% consumer take even 1 cup coffee daily, then our monthly revenue will be 96 lakh taka. Can you imagine how much money we will earn in a year? It's 11 crore and 48 lakh taka. For the first 2 years, our revenue projection graph will look like this. For the first 2 years, our revenue graph will look like this. And after selling 1 lakh cup of coffee, we will cross the break-even point in the second quarter of 2022.
Hi, I'm Eva from Bistro.io. Initially, we will install Bistro.io in every second floor of our DIU building. Every day, 36,000 potential consumers will see our product. One employee will fill all the machine daily. We will take 20 taka per cup paid through one card in case of implementing in DIU. If there is insufficient balance, then it will remain as due, which will be taken during student registration.
Hello everyone, I'm Sabbi from Bistro.io. Our product, Bistro.io, is an IoT-based system which will sell cups of coffee autonomously through online transaction like this. Our app has a QR scanner for selecting the machine. Consumers will be connected by internet and anyone can use our product by using our app. Though our Daffodil International University has its own online transaction method, OneCard, so the students of Daffodil International University can easily make their payment through that OneCard. And all the transaction can be accessed by the admin panel. They are my teammates. Okay, let me show you the MVP of our product.
মামা 3 কাপ কফি দিন তো।
কি ব্যাপার, উনি হাসতেছেন কেন?
আরে কফি খেতে কি এখন আর মামা লাগে? আমাদের bistro.io আছে না,
এটা
চল দেখাচ্ছি।
চল।
চল, আমরা এখানে কিউআর কোড স্ক্যান করেও কফি নিতে পারি, আবার কফি মেশিনের কোড ইউজ করেও কফি নিতে পারি। চল আমরা এখন স্ক্যান করে কফি নিই। তোদের 3 জনের জন্য এখন 3টা কফি নেই। 1 2 3। ওকে, ডান। আমরা এখানে বিভিন্নভাবে পেমেন্ট করতে পারি। আমরা এখানে আমাদের ভার্সিটির OneCard ইউজ করতে পারি, আর OneCard টাকা না থাকলে সেটা ডিউ হিসেবে থাকবে এবং পরবর্তীতে আমাদের ভার্সিটি ফি এর সাথে যুক্ত হবে। আমি এখনো OneCard থেকে পেমেন্ট করলাম। এই নে তোদের কফি নে।
Wow, it's
It
amazing.
only happens in our bistro.io. So grab your hassle-free coffee with bistro.io and refresh your life.
Okay. The year of automation has reached every corner of Bangladesh. Then why will their coffee be served manually? So grab your hassle-free coffee with bistro.io and refresh your life. So
Busy life, easy coffee.
thank you everyone for staying with us.